Okay, so let's continue where we ended. So we are starting question 1C. Okay, your junior coursemate asks you to help him decode the message. So this is C. So the message we are trying to decode is CO HO B R GY RR YR ITA PASH VT VTP FEE. Okay, so that's a cipher text. By the way, that's a cipher text. By now you know what's a cipher text, something which is encrypted and you cannot understand its context. So we are taught to decode this message by our junior classmate. He has received from their CYS110 lecture, which is cryptography. So he has received this from Mr. Chishala. Okay, use transposition cipher to decode and give him the answer. So as you can see, this is just 2.5 marks. So we'll do it quickly. Okay, so first thing, we need to understand some things like character. So I'll explain. So character simply just means how many numbers are in this cipher text, or how many letters are in this cipher text. So let's start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. So we have 25 letters or 25 characters from that cipher text. Now we need to know the matrix for this same cipher text. So for you to know the matrix, you need to ask yourself, which numbers can you multiply for you to get 25? So for example, we have 1 times 25, 1, so we can get that. Or we also have 5 times 5, which is giving us 25. So what you need to do is to try out for that 1 by 25, but I can just tell you get closer numbers or something which is looking uniform. So 5 by 5 is looking uniform. We'll get this one 5 by 5. Okay, so now what we need to understand is the blocks. So we need to come up with the blocks because this is a block cipher. So remember, we have 5 by 5. So it means we need to pair the cipher text into 5 letters and 5 blocks each. So I'll get these first 5 letters and put them in the first block. So the letters are 5 and this is block 1. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5. So we continue the same. Again, you get 5 letters and put them into the second block. From that you now get the third 5 letters and put them into the third block. Okay, then you get the 5 fourth letters and put them into the fourth block. The last 3, you get the last 5 letters and put them into the fifth block. So as you can see, this 5 by 5 matrix, it means that we have this 5 represents each block needs to have 5 letters. Then this 5 represent we need to have 5 blocks. So as you can see, this is block 1 2 3 4 5. So that's the meaning for 5 by 5 matrix. Then if you count all these letters, which are 5 in each block, it's 5 times 5, which is giving us 25 characters. So from that we can now start. So they are saying transposition cipher. So what you need to do is that you need to drop this first block. So the first block was C O H O, then B, like that. Then you come to the second block, which has R, then you go down, it has G, again you go down, it has Y, you go down, it has R, and it ends with R, like that from this. So we continue dropping them. We go to the third block, which starts with Y, as you can see, followed by R, then followed by I, followed by T, followed by A. Now we go to this fourth one. As you can see, it has P, then A, S, H, V. The last one, as you can see, it has T, then P, F, and double E at the end, which is E and E. So we are done. Now, as you can see, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the meaning for 5 by 5. Row by column, 5 by 5. So that's the meaning. This is the row, we have 5, and the column it has 5. Now, our plain text, because that was the cipher text, our plain text will read as, okay, so as you can see from here, this is cryptography from here. So from here, this is cryptography, as you can see. So that will be cryptography, like that, cryptography. So that will be cryptography. Then this is, so we say is. Then starting from here up to here, that's 4. You say 4. And then this is there. So you say there. Then lastly, this is brave. So you say brave. So this ciphertext can be read as cryptographies for the brave after you are done coming up with this. So that was simple, no need to explain further. Okay, so this is James Soko representing KMU Cybersecurity Tutorials. See you in another video, which is D.